So we're building a recruitment CRM that is aimed at supporting anybody that is looking to grow a recruitment company. So whether you call yourself a freelance recruiter, an independent recruiter, or you're looking at starting a recruitment agency, the aim of our platform is to give you all the tools you need inside of one system to successfully start to grow that business online. And one of the things that we're very aware of is that as a small business owner, one of your most valuable assets is going to be your time. So you want to make sure you're spending as much time as possible on the activities that are going to grow your business, like the sales calls and the interviews or candidate calls, and you want to spend as little time as possible sending emails, entering stuff into the CRM, basically managing the back office of the business. And one of the most recent features we've launched is an email templates feature, which allows you to basically create an email template of one of the emails that you're consistently sending over and over again. So that instead of sitting there every evening and sending the same email out to every single candidate, you can generate an email template inside a Giig, and then as you move the candidate or you drag the candidate from one interview stage to the next, the system's then going to generate you an email based on your template, and all you simply have to do is click the send button and that email's gone. So it reduces that time you spend sitting there of an evening making sure you're pinging out all the emails from all the calls you've done earlier that day. And in this 30-second demo video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works.
So to create the email template, you first come into settings, you go email templates, and this is where you can create your customized email templates by adding new and automated templates here. Once you've created those templates, to give you an example, as you drag a candidate along the process, you choose your interview day and time, the system will then create you automated emails based on the templates you've created. So it auto populates that for you with the subject and the body, and then you can send one to the candidate as well.